Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning tips and tricks to optimize decision control code. And in today's class we are going to learn how to use logical operator to optimize our code. Let's see, look at the example on the screen right now. This code accepts two user inputs. Let me write it here. This code accepts two user input. One is the date and another is the name. And then it checks if the date is 12th of January and the name of the user is Mary. Then we will say happy birthday. If the date is 12th of January but name is not Mary, you can see the nested if here. This whole block is inside this parent if. If the name is the date is 12th of January but name is not Mary, then do nothing. We'll say print no match. Or even when the date is not 12th of January, we will say do not match. So bottom line, we are saying say happy birthday only when it is 12th of January and name of the user is Mary. In any other case, we are saying no match. So we can optimize this code using AND operator. We can as well say, here you will see it here, we have optimized this code and we are saying take first date, name, and then we are saying if the date is 12th of January and, right, this ampersand and name is Mary, we are using this, we are building this complex Boolean expression involving two parts. One is date equal to this and again is name equal to Mary. And if both conditions are true, then we simply say happy birthday. And in any other case, we are simply saying it's a no match. So as you can see, we have optimized the code between these two scenarios where we used several if and else. In fact, we used nested if to build our logic. But this whole thing can be optimized here by simply using a logical operator and joining these two conditions. I always recommend to do a reverse engineering of the code. If you encounter like this, draw a flow chart and see what is the, what is the common code, or can this code be optimized by just simply using a logical operator. You will see the second scenario that you will see is when we use OR operator. In the previous one you saw AND, we say only when the date of birth is this and name is this, then you want to do something. Now let's take this scenario in which we are saying we will use OR operator. We are taking two numbers from the user. This is the first number A and this is the second number B. We are saying if the number is greater than 10, then increase the value of Y. Else, and you can see here in multiple alternative decision in action, you have if, else if, and then finally else. In this we are saying if the A is greater than 10, then increase the value of Y by 1. By saying Y plus plus, we are saying Y equal to Y plus 1. Now, if A is not greater than 10, then we are checking whether B is greater than 20. In this case, again, we are saying increase the value of Y by 1. And any other case, we are simply saying that decrease the value of Y by 1. Now, if you join these two conditions, just think if and between if and else, you will increase the value of Y by 1 either when A is greater than 10 or when B is greater than 20. And this is a classical usage of OR. We can rewrite this whole logic and we can simply use our OR condition. You can see here this whole if, else, if and else is simply reduced to simple from multiple decision. here to a dual decision here. We optimized our code. The less code you write, less chance of error. So when we converted from multiple to decision, all we did is we saying, hey, if A is greater than 10 or B is greater than 20, in both these cases, I'm gonna do y equal to y plus 1. So why to write if and else if? I can join these two, if and else if, into single complex Boolean expression involving two expressions now joined using OR operator, which is 2-pipe. Right? So with these two examples, I wanted to show you, I have shown you how to use and how to use OR, but you have to analyze properly and understand whether you are exactly implementing the same logic. You are only optimizing it. You are not changing the logic. You are simply optimizing it. So go ahead and practice. This will take some time for you to understand. Again, in the beginning, you really don't have to optimize, but you should learn these optimization techniques to become a better developer and better coder. With that, thank you very much. Go ahead and practice, solve the quiz, and also take the test at the end. I'll see you guys in the next class. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.